This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create an affidavit of loss. An affidavit of loss is a crucial legal document, a sworn statement declaring that a specific item or document has been lost. It's frequently required when you need to replace important government-issued identification, certificates, or property titles. This document serves a vital purpose. It helps prevent any fraudulent use of your lost item and significantly streamlines the process of obtaining a replacement. Understanding its creation is a valuable skill for everyone. When preparing your affidavit, it's essential to include several key pieces of information. Start by clearly stating your full legal name, current address, and reliable contact details. Next, provide a thorough description of the lost item, including any unique serial numbers or distinguishing marks. Crucially, specify the approximate date, time, and the circumstances surrounding the loss. Finally, include a definitive statement affirming that despite diligent searching, the item has not been recovered. These details ensure your affidavit is comprehensive and accurate. Once you have gathered all the necessary information, you can begin drafting your affidavit. Use clear, concise language, ensuring every fact is accurate and truthful. After drafting, the next critical step is notarization. You must sign the document in the physical presence of a notary public. The notary will verify your identity, administer the oath, and then affix their official seal. It's wise to obtain at least 2 or 3 certified copies of the notarized affidavit for your records and for submission to various entities. After your affidavit of loss has been properly notarized, your next steps are crucial for replacing your lost item. You will need to submit the original notarized document to the relevant government agency or institution responsible for issuing the replacement. Always keep at least 1 certified true copy for your personal records. Be prepared, as the agency might request additional supporting documents. Finally, remember to follow up regularly with the agency to track the progress of your replacement application and ensure a smooth process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.